Don't find fault, find a remedy. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. There is only one rule for the industrialist, and that is, make the best quality goods possible at the lowest cost possible, paying the highest wages possible. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. It is not the employer who pays the wages. Employers only handle the money. It is the customer who pays the wages. Vision without execution is just hallucination. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. To teach that a comparatively few men are responsible for the greatest forward steps of mankind is the worst sort of nonsense. Obstacles are those frightful things that you see when you take your eyes off your goal. It is not usual to speak of an employee as a partner, and yet what else is he? The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. If you had asked people what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret of success. Experience is the thing of supreme value. It is observed that successful people get ahead in the time that other people waste. That the devil finds work for idle hands to do is probably true. But there is a profound difference between leisure and idleness. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it.